Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks location. Enable device location and set date and time to automatic. Then open the app and grant precise location permission. Choose while using or always if needed. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is connected and battery saver or low power modes are off because they throttle location polling. You do these first because apps can't fix GPS or server checks if the OS or network is restricting access. You next perform targeted fixes. Force close the app and clear its cache or app data to remove corrupted state, then restart the app. If that fails, toggle system location off and on, flip airplane mode briefly, and fully reboot the device so hardware drivers reinitialize. Make sure the app and OS are up to date. Outdated builds can break location APIs. Also verify your account is signed in, the other person's visibility is enabled, and the service isn't reporting outages. You finish by recreating the share. Stop location sharing, restart both sides' apps, and resend the invite so permissions and tokens refresh. If that still doesn't work, try the other person signing in on another device or use an alternate app to determine whether it's your device, account, or the service. If problems persist, gather screenshots, timestamps, device model, OS and app versions, and logs if available, then contact support. This info speeds resolution and avoids repeated guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.